What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, guys. Today we're going to do a how to style on the Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found. We're going to put together some fire pieces to make this look even more fire. Now, if you haven't, check out my full in-depth review in 4K of this beautiful sneaker here. Yeah, I'm still a little emotionally mad, and I'm still mad for you guys who didn't get a fair chance at getting this sneaker. But those who got it, and those who got any Jordan 1 BRED or Chicago, most of these pieces is going to match for those kind of sneakers too. So don't worry, man. We're here for everybody. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. Again, pay attention to the B-roll, because a lot of that fire I see in the B-roll, I'm not really going to show y'all. I don't want to make the video too long. But, you know I like to start with the obvious Chicago ones. Go get you the Michelin Ness throwback Chicago Bulls shorts, man. I'm not mad at any Chicago Bulls shorts you get, but these pinstripe classic joints here, this is it, man. It got your red, got your black, got your white, all your bull colors, and it's not that much. Right now, Michelin Ness has a stupid sale, guys, for the holidays. This is usually like $120. Right now, you probably could get it like $70, $75, man. But I feel like this is the best match. Chicago Bulls on both sides. Durable, hardwood classic. Crazy. And look, man, I'm not saying wear it together because you're not in the NBA. But go get you a Jordan jersey. If you're a basketball head, man, you got to at least own one of these. This here is the Swingman joint, so it's highly affordable. There go the Nike logo there. Everything down there, Nike. Come on, man. It's a perfect match. Any Jordan BRED, not just ones, 1 through 20, whatever he up to now. Come on. Now let's get into some streetwear. The Como de Garçon Play Tee. When this first came out, these shirts used to be like a lot of money. Now they are very affordable, man, since they came out with too many Converse. You could get this for $100 or less than. I like this one because it got a lot of red. You got a big red heart here, then you got the little red heart on a black tee. You know the materials. Come on, man. It's Como de Garçon. A1. I really like this shirt. But if you want to dumb it down a little bit and you're not into big logos, we got the little heart too. Both match perfect. This is if you want to, like, you know, if you just going somewhere a little casual, you don't want the big graphic. This one to do a little better. Material the same, man. If you want to know sizing, hit me in the comment section below. Because Como de Garçon do run a little funny, guys. But under $100 right now. Come on, you know the fire was going to continue, man. This right here is the Virgil Abloh MCA Chicago Figures Tee. Now, I think this was a Chicago exclusive, but I looked on StockX. A lot of those items are there, and for the low, if we talking about Virgil and Off-White. And first, let me say RIP Virgil. I try to do that every video I do, man. This shirt is fire, and it matches the Jordan 1 Lost and Found perfect. You got the red and white, I don't know, candy cane, construction sticks. I don't know what you call it. Super dope, though, man. And trust me, it's low price compared to Off-White on StockX right now. MCA, Chicago, Virgil Abloh. RP. You know what? Let's stay Off-White. This right here is a t-shirt I wanted for a long time. I finally brought it. I caught it on sale. This is one of the famous off-white tees. They got a whole bunch of these. But this colorway, this shirt, I think matches perfect. There you go. You got white, black writing. The back has the portrait real big. At the bottom, off-white and white. Dope, man. Go to offwhite.com. You might can't find this one, but you'll definitely find some version to match them lost and founds. And you might as well do the hat to match. You know what I mean? Fire, guys. Bringing it down a little bit, but keeping it streetwear, the Supreme Scarface tee. Now, as far as Scarface, red, black, and white, that's the colors of Scarface. So you got Supreme, which I think is the best. But Shoe Palace also did a collab with Scarface. Forever 21. It's a lot of affordable substitutes. But this one right here is not that much neither. I think Kith too. Yeah, I think Kith too. But here on the back, you got the Supreme quote, Supreme box logo. On the front, y'all remember this scene, man. This is like the beginning of Scarface before he became who he became. The bathroom scene and the shower curtain. Y'all remember that, man. Just give me a likes if you like Scarface. I know it's an old movie, but still a classic. Staying Supreme. This is the water gun tee or toy gun tee. Bringing out more of that white or that mousseline in that sneaker. Getting off the black a little bit. You got a model there. Red water gun pistol. Her melatonin matches also. Red, what you call it? Red nail polish. Dope look. And affordable, guys. That's number one. Affordable. Getting back to the Chicago roots. The Dennis Rodman Mitchell and Ness tee. Super dope, man. You got your Chicago Bulls, so you know it match. On a black tee. Soft material, guys. Mitchell and Ness. And you get this for the low. This came from PacSun for like $32, guys. I shouldn't have to say nothing else. Dennis Rodman, iconic. These off-white shorts I like a lot because it has that mousseline cream by the pockets. And it's off-white. RP Virgil again. Champion off-white collab. Thick shorts, guys. Very thick. Got your off-white brand in there, your Champion logo brand in there. But I really like it because of the mousseline cream on the pockets, man. Dope look. Trophy room shorts. Now, of course, I brought these for the Jordan 7s. That's what they for. But if you want to put some red, white, and blue in your outfit and not just red, black, and white or mousseline, I like this look because it blends it all. You got the Trophy Room logo there. Jordan brand logo there. Very heavy shorts. Gold zipper. That's if you want to mix some red, white, and blue into it. And I know Jordan played for the Bulls. That's what he iconic for. But a team I also like to match with those Jordan 1 lost and founds is the Buckeye joints. I like the Ohio State Buckeye look. So right here, this is the Scully. Come on. Red, white, and black. It just matches Ohio State logo. And it's made by Nike. So you know the color codes match. And Nike has a crazy sale right now, guys. So this beanie's for the low. But on top of this, come on. Same colors here. You even got some gray. Buckeyes, red, black, and white ball. Also Nike. But this is the hint. Look at the shoestrings. Look at the hoodie laces. That is the lost and founds, guys. Right there. Dope match. Let me see. I didn't wear this, so I might have a price tag still. I must have ripped it off, but I remember paying like $68. Nike got a crazy sale. This might be stolen. And another hoodie I like just because of the weather change right now is the Supreme Zip hoodie. This hoodie is so thick. Almost as thick as the Yeezy Gap hoodie. I could have showed the red one to that, but I'd rather go with the Supreme joint because of the little box logo and because the silver zipper gives it more character to match the sneaker better. I like this. You gotta go third party. Even though Supreme this season has come up with something that looks similar to this, if you want this one here, this is about a year and a half ago. Close to 2 years Supreme. Hats. I got a lot of them, guys. I didn't even go over there and check more, but we gonna get the premises with these. So of course, any Chicago Bulls fitted, man. This right here is the back-to-back Mitchell and Ness joint. I really like this match the best because it symbolized Jordan back-to-back championships with the Bulls, Mitchell and Ness. I really like this one. But this one here gives you more of a royalty look with the gold NBA Finals logo on it. They both Mitchell and Ness, so it depends on how you want to rock. I also like both of these Supreme hats. Let me explain. The red one, come on, that's out the park. Red, white, Supreme box logo. This is just a perfect match. But this camo one is dope because whenever I rock a BRED Jordan 1 or BRED Jordan period or Chicago Jordan, I kind of always put on fatigues and match perfect with my 4s and match perfect with my 3s. It's just something about fatigue with that little hit of red with a BRED or Chicago sneaker that it just pops. So that's why I like this one. Yes, sir, man. And to be honest, I could go for days on how to style on a Chicago colorway. I got tons of them. Spider-Man, Homage to Home, Off. I got a lot of them. So I ain't want to make the video too long. But let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I know a lot of us are depressed, man. That's why I really didn't want to do the how to style, because a lot of us couldn't get our hands on them. Again, $450 on StockX right now. I don't know what your wallet looking like, but I feel like barring restocks, which we should get, it's only going to go up, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Drop a like, please. It really helps the channel. Everybody, get rich.